How's it going, y'all? Joseph with Zerati Steelworks, and as you can see here, we got our brand new ZSW Rocket Stove right in front of me, and we're gonna go through a lot of the features that make it great. Of course, we'd like to start off with its nice, thick, American-made steel design that's gonna go ahead and last you a lifetime. Next to that, if you'll notice, we have this awesome modular top that'll allow you to utilize some of the other different accessories that we'll have available for this rocket stove. Right next to it, as you can see, is going to be the feed door, letting you utilize multiple fuel types to run your rocket stove. Ideally here, we like to go ahead and use wood, but you can utilize coal or many other things to get this bad boy going. Lastly, I'd like to go ahead and tell you up in front. Now, if you haven't noticed already, this is going to be one of our heat resistant handles that lets you open and close, adjusting that inner and outer airflow for this rocket stove. And right behind it as well, you'll notice another one of those heat resistant handles, and that's going to be for your ash pan. Really helping out when it comes to cleaning these, because we know just as much as anybody, nobody likes to clean up after a good time. But folks, we just wanted to showcase a lot of these features that make it great. Stay tuned, because we're gonna also be showing you this in action. Alrighty, y'all, now that we're out here, we're gonna show you how to get started with your rocket stove. As you can see, we've got our wood right here, but nevertheless, you're more than welcome to use any kind of fuel in your rocket stove. Even if you're out and about, you can even find yourself some kindling to get her started up. We'll open up this right quick, get this loaded in. And again, folks, it's that easy. The one thing that I like about this is that with these that we have cut, you get like a good 30 to 45 minute burn time with it, which I really do enjoy. Lastly, we'll go ahead and stack up some of this kindling in here. Let me just get that in there first. Put that last one in. And finally, finish it up with this starter. Alrighty, y'all, now that we got our rocket stove going, the great thing about this is that you can utilize it as a cooktop using your skillet or pans that you happen to have with you while you're out camping, or if you'd like, putting that awesome ZSW griddle that we'll have as an attachment for it. But the great thing about this, folks, is you can use it for any occasion. So if it's waiting for the sun to set and having a nice fire outside, definitely look forward to seeing y'all receiving your brand new ZSW rocket stove and making memories yourself.